Let me show you how to open up the microphone on the K12 wireless speaker karaoke machine, essentially. By the way, there are several different manufacturers for these, so some actually are opened a bit different. So as you see, if yours looks like this is how we can open. First, we can essentially unscrew this. So let me turn off it first, and essentially inside this is what it looks like. And the way we open, we simply have to squeeze it like this a bit, so as you see it creates a kind of gap, so then we can get in with the fingernails basically from this side and also from this side, and simply like pray it apart. So again, we do not really even need tools. Maybe you can get a spudger like this, but again, as you saw, I was able to open it up pretty much without anything at all. And once you get at the bottom, there again is simply a clip, so like pray it apart like this, so it unclips similarly to this. As you see, this is what it looks like. So we have the battery cell inside. I guess we can take this out. Okay, so what is the capacity? So 300 milliamp hour and 14500 basically. So if you ever need to change the C, it's like fused on, I think. So yep, we can easily remove that, so and essentially solder on a new battery. So again, you can verify that the contacts are okay here as well, and these contacts over here can be easily unplugged. So again, maybe put some pressure on this like red part, so hold in place and try to wiggle out this essentially like white part. So again, do not pull by the wires, but by the white part. Again, maybe use some kind of bit of screwdriver to get it out if you need. Again, verify that all joints are okay here, and again, overall very simple construction. And we have the the microphone capsule over here. So overall very, yeah, so again, there are 0 screws absolutely on this unit. By the way, I also have absolutely great deal for you if you are actually looking to purchase this speaker essentially. So I'm actually partnered with AliExpress, and if you want to get a set like this, so essentially with 2 microphones, it costs around $2 only if you follow the link. And again, that also includes free shipping essentially also in that price. So again, this is only a deal for new users on AliExpress. If you are existing user, also if you follow the link, you will also get very decent price. So normally it costs I think around $8 or $9 depending on how many microphones you get. Again, if you only get 1 microphone, you can get it literally for $1 with free shipping if you follow the link. Anyway, good luck.